don't just look over a cycle, look over 20 years or whatever. We've had so many challenges, and this industry and the people that own the bakeries and all that, they don't invest for this year. They don't invest for next year. So, the show it's such an investment for the future. You're seeing what you're going to be doing, how you're going to be investing in your business for not a year, but 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. So that I think that's really the perspective they look. But there were challenges the 3 years before the 22 show. There were challenges this year.
There's always challenges.
There are always challenges.
Yeah.